Oh my goodness. We got ourselves a monster for under $20,000. What's the catch? No catch. It's not perfect. It's got some issues. It's not a certified pre-owned unit. It's a 2011. It's awesome. It's got a lot of life, but it definitely has a few things wrong with it that I'm going to tell you all about. Folks, if you're not handy, stop the video. Let's go on to certified pre-owned. All right, you're still here. 2011 Heartland Bighorn, model number 3185RL. Look at that, even back in the day it had the keyless entry. Probably doesn't work anymore, I'm not sure. Walk it in. Okay. Folks, we don't love selling as is, where is 2011 fifth wheels. However, the previous owners of this coach didn't drive it anywhere. It was parked in Slideout. It was loved. They took good care of it. It's clean. It smells good. It looks good. We have not cleaned this ourselves. And this is a monster. This has a lot of features. Folks, full disclosure, the sofa, it's got some issues. I haven't uncovered the material over those seats, but I'm sure that they have issues too. It does come with a fireplace. It does come with an office. Solid surface countertops. Guys, I am going to get to the major issues with this, okay? I'm going to show you the good for now. This is a big, big travel trailer. It does have a Dinette fridge. It works on propane and electricity. Here's your entryway. Real tall ceilings. The slide starts here and keeps going. And going. Here's the bedroom. That's a queen, or do I even dare say a double? Nice big windows. Small TV right here. Oh, I like that. All right, so that's for privacy. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, this is broken. Let's go in this way. In the bathroom, porcelain toilet. Very, very clean, folks. Again, loved. Smells good in here. I'm very, very impressed. Okay. Not too much of selling going on here. Let's get to the bad. And that's outside. All right, guys, as you may or may not know, but I don't do any selling myself. I'm the guy who takes all care of the pictures and videos for everything. Sometimes the guys find I'm a little too brutally honest, but you know what? Honesty is the best way to go. This slide, folks, it's got some issues, and it's pretty bad. First off, there's delamination into the wall. The sun was facing on this side, so this side of the coach was seeing a lot of sunlight, which of course takes away that glue and delaminates with time. However, this one here, it's very evident, folks. Look at the wood right underneath here. I can actually see it sagging just a little bit towards this end because it's the worst part. You know what? This side's just as bad. Oh, I see somebody tried to, maybe that's factory, I'm not quite sure. Because this is on the kitchen slide and where the fireplace is at, that's the most expensive slide that you can get to repair. We're upwards of $4,500, $5,000 to fix. Does it need to be fixed? It's certainly not a Pine Acres certified pre-owned unit, I can tell you that right now. Totally up to you. If you want it fixed, we can fix it. We're gonna have to charge you that money, and you're gonna have to wait, because our shop is quite busy. Waiting will be probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Or if you want to go camping in it now and bring it back at the end of the year, We'll fix it at the end of the year. How about that? Now, folks, I did show you the worst part of it, but that's all that I found. There could be some other issues. That's why we're selling it as is. If that slide floor doesn't scare you and you're still interested, please come on down. We can plug this in over in the corner over there. You'll have water, you'll have electricity, and you can test things out on your own. Our service department is not touching this unit. Our detail shop is not touching this unit. Oh, folks, right there, look. I remember, okay, this is all coming back to me. I did walk on the roof. The roof is solid, but there's 2 patches right there. Again, full disclosure. If I could think of anything else that I found, I would tell you right now, but that's as far as I got. All right, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, Brunswick. Please give one of our salespeople a call today. Book your appointment, and we will get this coach ready for you. Bye for now.